Why coding shortcuts matter.
Coding shortcuts are more than just convenience. They're essential tools that allow developers to code efficiently and effectively. Mastering keystrokes and integrated development environment, or IDE, tricks helps you reduce repetitive work, minimize errors, and focus on solving real problems, ultimately saving you hours throughout your projects.
Essential keyboard shortcuts.
Knowing common keyboard shortcuts like copy, paste, undo, and redo quickly boosts productivity. Most IDEs offer more advanced shortcuts, such as jumping between files, multi-cursor editing, and instant line duplication. Learning these shortcuts means you spend less time moving your hands between mouse and keyboard, making your workflow smoother and faster.
Power of refactoring tools.
Refactoring shortcuts allow you to rename variables, extract methods, and clean up code with just a few clicks or keystrokes. By mastering these in your IDE, you can improve your code structure without risks of forgetting a change or making manual mistakes. Smart refactoring saves time and keeps your projects maintainable.
Code navigation tricks.
Fast code navigation is crucial for understanding and maintaining large projects. Shortcuts that let you jump to function definitions, search for usages, or scroll to errors help you pinpoint issues and understand code flow quickly. This not only saves time, but also reduces frustration when working in complex code bases.
Embracing snippets and automation.
Code snippets and automation tools allow you to insert common patterns or repetitive code blocks with just a typing shortcut. Most modern IDEs support templates for loops, conditionals, and class structures. Setting up custom snippets or macros for your coding style can dramatically reduce repetitive typing and spot potential mistakes earlier.
Mastering your IDE for maximum efficiency.
Every developer benefits from learning their IDE's advanced features, like split views, integrated debugging, and version control shortcuts. Taking time to explore settings and personalize your workflow pays dividends, freeing up mental space for creativity and problem solving. The more shortcuts and tools you know, the faster and more enjoyable your coding becomes.